Welcome back to my channel Aero Auto Defense. Subscribe and support my channel for the latest updates on global defense technology and modern warfare systems. Today we are going to talk about the Iron Dome Tamir missile system of Israel and the latest developments expected in 2025 and 2026. The Iron Dome is one of the world's most advanced air defense systems, designed to intercept and destroy short-range rockets, artillery shells, and drones. Its main interceptor missile, known as the Tamir, plays a critical role in Israel's layered defense network. The Tamir missile is about 3 meters long, weighs nearly 90 kilograms, and is equipped with highly advanced electro-optical sensors, radar guidance, and a proximity-fused blast warhead. This allows it to accurately detect, track, and destroy incoming threats before they reach populated areas or strategic infrastructure. Each Iron Dome battery consists of 3 to 4 launchers, and every launcher carries up to 20 Tamir interceptors, giving the system the ability to respond to multiple threats simultaneously. In 2025, Israel's Ministry of Defense, in collaboration with Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and the Directorate of Defense Research and Development (DDR&D), announced a major upgrade for the Iron Dome system. These upgrades are designed to enhance the performance of the Tamir missile against drones, cruise missiles, and precision-guided threats, which have become more common in modern conflicts. The improved system now features advanced radar algorithms, faster processing, better target acquisition, and increased sensitivity of the seeker head to improve interception success rates. These changes are intended to handle more complex and faster threats, ensuring Israel's continued air defense superiority in the region. Furthermore, Israel has significantly increased its production and stockpiling of Tamir missiles, using both domestic funding and U.S. military aid. This ensures that the country has a sufficient interceptor supply during prolonged conflicts. Interestingly, the U.S. military has also adopted the Tamir missile under its Medium Range Intercept Capability (MRIC) program. The U.S. Marine Corps is integrating a variant of the Iron Dome, known as SkyHunter, into its air defense network. Between 2023 and 2025, the United States signed contracts to procure 3 batteries, 44 launchers, and over 1,800 Tamir interceptors for deployment across strategic locations. To support this, Raytheon and Rafael formed a joint venture called R2S and established a production facility in East Camden, Arkansas. This facility manufactures Tamir and SkyHunter missiles locally, not only for U.S. defense needs but also for allied nations requiring advanced interception systems. Recent U.S. Marine Corps tests have successfully demonstrated Tamir's performance in live-fire exercises, proving its reliability under operational conditions. By 2026, the Iron Dome system is expected to receive another round of enhancements to further strengthen its interception capabilities against hypersonic threats and long-range drones. With increasing geopolitical tensions and evolving aerial threats, the Tamir missile remains a crucial component of Israel's and America's air defense strategy. If you want more detailed updates on upcoming missile defense technologies, stay tuned to Aero Auto Defense and don't forget to subscribe and support my channel for the latest defense news and analysis.